Mr. Toad, I'm so happy I could eat you up, I really could. You know what I'd like to do, Mr. Toad? What a dream, if the business stays as good, where I'd really like to go in a year or so. Don't you wanna know?
Of course.
Do you really wanna know?
Yes, I do.
By the sea, Mr. Toad, that's the life I'd covet. By the sea, Mr. Toad, oh, I know you'd love it. You and me, Mr. T, we could be alone in a house where we'd almost own, down by the sea.
Anything you say.
Wouldn't that be smashing? Think how snug it'll be underneath our flannel when it's just you and me and the English